Action.
Good morning everyone. Today we're going to be making a chilli. Not too hot because Eden doesn't like too hot, but we are doing a chilli. And these are my lovely assistants today, my granddaughters, Florence and Eden. They've washed their hands, so we're ready to start. They have an onion and a bit each, and they're going to chop it up under supervision with the knife, as any way you like. So get going girls, get chopping. And then we'll keep an eye on. If you have any problems, let Grandma know and I'll help you, okay? Get your fingers well out of the way and just chop slowly and whenever you want to. I'll just run through the ingredients we've got to go in our chilli today. So we've got the minced beef over there, and we've got paprika, chilli, onion salt, cumin, white pepper, garlic salt. And we've got sriracha and some mango chutney, and they're all in here. So you have a teaspoon of each apart from the pepper, half a teaspoon, but you can adjust that if you want to. I've got some homemade passata, which I made with onion and tomato and herbs, and a quarter of a pint of chicken stock. I've also got 1 square of 75% dark chocolate. Turn that over, darling, like that. And that's going to go in after, and I've got a clove of garlic in there that I'm going to bash. I've also got tomato puree, so we're going to crack on with the onions. Okay, so we're just checking the girls and their onions. How are you doing? Good. And are you going to nicely chopped and diced there, Florence? Turn it that way, Eden, and then you'll find that it's a bit firmer, and you won't have to worry about it sliding off the knife. Excellent chopping. Your eyes aren't watering yet, are they, Florence? Good, that's what we like to see. How are you finding the chopping? Good? Excellent. Wonderful. Okay, let's carry on with that. Excellent. Right, so we're back, aren't we, girls? With beautifully chopped onions. Superb. So what now we're going to do, we are going to cook them, aren't we? Yeah. So we've got some olive oil in here, because we always use olive oil, because it's very good for you. We've heated it up a little bit, and I can feel from that it's about the right temperature. Do you want to just check your hand there, gently above the pan? Feel the heat? Yeah. That's when you know you're ready to pop. So we'll pop these in. Listen. Oh, that's the sizzle we want. The onions are frying. So we go in with our utensils, you two. Give it a bit of a stir. Yes, they're going to start to go brown, so we have to wait for them to go brown. Yeah, so they may take a little bit of a while, but we'll come back to that. Right, girls, so the onions are frying, and what colour are they going now? Brown. A little bit brown, but they're translucent, yeah? So we now need to put the meat in. So this is minced beef, and I'm going to break it up. And as I do, I want you to stir it all in. Give it a good stir.
By the way, translucent forms on my feet.
It does, very good. And that's what we were looking for, isn't it? So we put all this lovely beef in. And what we've got to do is, when we put it in, we're going to cook it till it goes a nice browny colour, but not burned, just brown. Okay?
Remember, I'm trying not to get it in big crumbs.
Yeah, we want it in bits. Okay. So we'll keep going with this until it becomes brown. Okay, so our mince is now nicely brown. So next, girls, what do? Take that off. Grandma's going to add some tomato puree first. Ready? You can always add more if you want to, because the tomato in it is delicious, right?
Yeah.
And then we're going to add a garlic clove that we chopped up earlier. Now you two give that a good stir for me. Alright, that's it. Stir that all in nicely. Gently. That's it.
Remember, you don't want to add too much tomato puree in first.
You don't, that's right. Can you see it changing colour now?
Yeah.
It's going a lovely reddy colour, right? And then when we put the spices in, it'll go a deeper colour still. Because we like chilli to be really nice and dark. So keep stirring, that's it.
Too dark.
Give it a good stir. Let me just get the side of it there. chef. Not the bowl, just the spice. Okay, is it all in? Give it a little tappy. Use it with your hands to tap it, that's it. And just check the bowl, you see? Oh, that's perfect. I'll just use my little finger because I've got a glove on. Okay, now stir. Stir. Oh, that's all right. A little bit over the edge there. Try and keep it in the pan, really hidden. Stir. What about this bit here? Look, missing this. It's all got to be stirred in really well.
But you don't want to add too much spice.
No, but we can add spice later because we've got sriracha to add in naturally because obviously you like it spicy. Right, so this is the homemade passata that Eden's going to pour in, and we'll do another recipe for that. All of it in, all the way. Hold it low, that's it. Pour it in low. That's it. Beautiful.
It's like a cheesy sauce.
It's not really. Give that a good stir for Grandma.
It's the colour of a hamburger. Cheese hamburger.
It is a hamburger colour, but it will go darker. That's the most important thing. And it's all about the flavour, right?
Yeah. Not the lips.
No. So now what we're going to do, we're going to let that stir in for a bit. And I'm going to add the chicken stock because we need a little bit more liquid because it will eventually render down a bit and thicken. So this is looking very good. So the only things that we haven't added is the extra sriracha, mango chutney, and we're going to add some chocolate. Now, this is very unusual, but it's beautiful. So you two drop that in. That's it, in it goes.
I just want to eat it.
Give it a stir. That will melt
Remember,
and darken.
you don't want to add too much liquid.
No.
Otherwise it can't soak it in.
This is going to be beautiful.
Or too much dark chocolate.
Alright, so should we chuck in the beans, girls?
Yeah.
Ready?
So,
Go. Right. Give that a good stir.
remember, if you're buying fresh beans, you've got to leave it to soak for
If you're buying dry beans, you have to leave it for 24 hours in soak. Otherwise they're poisonous. But we're using a tin one, which is very convenient and absolutely delicious. So what do? We take our spoons out, leave them on the side. We put the lid on low heat.
I can really smell the dark chocolate.
Beautiful. And we'll leave that there to simmer for about half an hour. Just keep checking it for an hour. And then we'll add some other ingredients after that. And we'll come back.